The students in the Chromebook repair team are able to take devices that have been brought in by students throughout the building with anything from minor defects to a completely broken, non-functional device, and they're able to kind of go through and figure out what problems they can diagnose and then to make repairs and swap out parts as much as possible to get a working device that can get back into a student's hands. The most common problems are cracks and minor physical defects, but then there's also times where the Wi-Fi card will stop working, that the touchscreen can no longer detect a touch or detect the pen if they're using that. And so what we can do is we can swap out those parts and to get something that is working again. All the members of our repair team are members of our Computer Science Honor Society. So those students were given the opportunity to complete a training course provided by Acer, and it's the same course that our district technology professionals are given, and to give them a certification to say, I know how to repair this particular Chromebook. And what they can then do is they come down here during night zone or after school or whenever they have time, and they can make repairs to devices, earn some service hours for the Honor Society, and help the district.